Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. The fear of Russia invading Ukraine was sparked by remarks from U.S. officials. This triggered a dramatic market response that has continued to this day. Equities are on the verge of collapse. The Asian-Pacific region's major bourses were down 1-2%. Australia was an exception as it lifted at SX 200 with its energy and gold stocks. Near midday in Europe, the Stoxx 600 has fallen by 2.5%, marking its third consecutive fall. Futures in the U.S. are about 1% lower. The Swiss franc and yen are stable, while other majors led by the Scandis or Antipodeans are about 0.50% to 1.0% higher. After soaring to near $1,865 for 3 months, gold is now consolidating. Initial oil prices rose, with the March WTI contract reaching almost $95 before stabilizing. Asian Pacific market. The Bank of Japan announced its willingness to purchase unlimited amounts of 10-year bonds at 0.2% today. The Bank of Japan did not offer any offers for the third such operation in 3 years. The Bank of Japan's challenge to defend its yield curve control policy has not ended. The dollar fell to JPY 115.00 in Europe after trading above JPY 116 on Thursday and Friday. The Australian dollar is under increasing selling pressure in Europe and is currently being pushed through $0.7100. Market of Europe. A few ECB officials have resisted speculations of a rate increase near mid-year over the last few days. The next meeting of the ECB is important. The meeting will include updated forecasts and future guidance. The euro is under severe pressure. It is currently testing the $1.1300 zone, which is in the middle of its most recent range. Since February 1, sterling has been restricted to $1.35 and $1.36 levels. Although there has been some intra-session penetration, the range has held up on a closing basis. The immediate resistance is now around $1.3540 to $1.3560. Market of America. Bullard has been criticized by some for being misunderstood by the market. However, he appeared to be quite clear about the main issue. He favors a 100 basis point increase in the 3 next meetings and wants to accelerate the unwinding the balance sheet. Today, he will appear on CNBC at 8:30 a.m. ET. He is a Fed official who has been consistently among the most hawkish. Over the weekend, the trucker-led protest, which disrupted Ottawa, Canadian production, and trade with the U.S., seemed to have ended. Similar demonstrations inspired by the same principles have been witnessed in various European countries, including France, Switzerland, Austria, and Belgium. The U.S. dollar is moving towards the upper end of its current range against the Canadian dollar due to the risk-off moment and the deeper Canadian discount to the U.S. on 2-year money. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.